SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off group text alerts on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're in a group text message that's very active, then you're probably getting a lot of notifications about that message. This can be a little disruptive, and you might be interested in turning off those text message alerts. But if you don't want to shut off all the notifications for all of your conversations, then you have the option to just turn off the alerts for that specific conversation. You can do this by opening the Messages app. Then you can find the group text message that you would like to turn off notifications for, and then you can swipe to the left on it. Now you just need to tap the mute button, and now you're going to see that there's a little bell icon by that group text message to indicate that the alerts are turned off. You can turn them back on by swiping left again and tapping the unmute button. You can also turn off these group text alerts by selecting the group message. You can then tap on the group text name at the top of the screen, and then you can scroll down and tap the button to the right of Hide Alerts, which does the same thing that as swiping left on the message as we did previously. So now if you go back to the conversation list, you'll see that that bell icon's there, so you will no longer get alerts for that message.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.